Welcome back to the channel, gents. Aiden McCarthy is leaving Kaizer Chiefs for a European club. He is going to be leaving today. As of today, he is going to be hopping on a plane, flying to a Europe. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let's talk about our boy leaving Kaizer Chiefs. One of the best defenders the Kaizer Chiefs enazo is leaving. Thabo Moloisane just got signed. Maybe kungenzeka ukuthi ye replacement ka Aiden McCarthy, kodwa ke they don't play the same position, right? Aiden McCarthy is a left center back and Thabo Moloisane I think is right footed, so he's a right center back. Kodwa ke players we know they can play, defenders can play either of the center back positions. They do that. We've seen Miguel playing as a left center back, kudlalwe Ulo Zitakwinika and then Miguel as a left center back. So I think Thabo Moloisane can also do both. So he could be a replacement Aiden McCarthy. Gents, I'm hoping the Kaizer Chiefs made a lot of money because Aiden McCarthy is young, number one. Secondly, he's a very good defender. He's 22 years old. There is no way that the Kaizer Chiefs ayenza imali right for him or off of him, I mean. So Kaizer Chiefs, hopefully le mali abayenzileyo ngo Aiden McCarthy imali that they're going to use to buy more good players. Bangabi ngaba bantu ke ba you guys know them, bathanda ama free agents. Hopefully this money we're going to use in maybe buying number 6 or right esimdingayo okanye a left-footed right winger, because I think a right winger, if we can get a left-footed right winger, we could be much better, because a striker is right, I think it's right, Flavio Silva, Ikotaro, and also who else? Onaleti Hlongwane nabo basekhona, and Ukanyesa Mayo, there's a possibility that he might stay. So whoever is the right striking, we just need a winger. And also I think number 10 Bafetu, okay, we will talk for another day, number 10, because we have a lot of problems. Hopefully Fernando da Cruz will make sure that one of these boys that are playing as a number 10 at Kaizer Chiefs, this guy Shabalala, Ethan Chislett, and also who even Mfundo Villas can play as a 10. I'm hoping he's going to bring out the best in one of these, because reality is Kaizer Chiefs have not had the best number 10. Hopefully these guys, one of them is going to step up and say, I'm here to step in this role and I'm going to take Kaizer Chiefs to the next level. And also in that 6th position, we need a player there. Hopefully le mali yenziwe ngokuthi kudayiso Aiden McCarthy is going to go and be used in a player that is going to help us. Bangathi ke omutawungi, hayi, we don't have money babe befaka le mali emapokotweni. You guys know them, bafuna ama free agents. Hopefully I just hope they're gonna use this money to make sure that they get a good player. Okay, gents, Aiden McCarthy is going to be playing in the Champions League. I see you found a tweet. Now it's a Facebook post. Kaizer Chiefs defender Aiden McCarthy is set to leave the club for Sabah FK in Azerbaijan. Azerbaijan, that's a country. Okay, the club won the league and qualified for EUCL first round. Okay, Aiden McCarthy could be playing in the UCL. Umdlali weKaizer Chiefs, we might see him play in the UCL. Okay, le UCL, no, it's the first round. Uzobe besa dlalela ukuqualify, I think, ukudlala UCL straight. Okay, he departs this evening. Uyahamba namhlanje, so this means uzobe on the plane namhlanje going to Europe. 3-year contract plus 1. Okay, I see. Agreed. I think I need to read the entire story. Okay, Azerbaijan, where is it in Europe? I think that's the most important thing. Let me search Azerbaijan. It's between the Ukraine and the Afghanistan, the Iraq, Iran is right in the middle. It's there, Azerbaijan. Okay, I see it. So it's a European team. I don't know if I should say it's in Europe or in Asia, but it's there. It's between Ukraine, Afghanistan, Iraq, and Iran. Like, it's in the middle there, Azerbaijan. So I'm happy for Aiden McCarthy. Hopefully Kaizer Chiefs will, if this guy Esimsani Leo, Thabo Moloisane is not a replacement, hopefully we will find a replacement ka Aiden McCarthy. I think Kaizer Chiefs beseyazi ukuthi lo mjito uyahamba, that's why they bought Moloisane, and also Sethamo Kwinika, that's why he's staying as well, because Aiden McCarthy is leaving. So before sithole a replacement, they can't leave up until sithole a replacement ka Aiden McCarthy and also Zitha Kwinika. So Zitha Kwinika played well, by the way. I'm not saying he's staying because Aiden McCarthy is leaving. Zitha Kwinika deserved a contract extension at Kaizer Chiefs. So let me know what you think in the comments. Aiden McCarthy leaving a Kaizer Chiefs, and Fernando da Cruz being the head coach of Kaizer Chiefs, and it has been confirmed as well. It's crazy. Crazy news are happening. And I'm looking at the Orlando Pirates as well. They are strengthening their squad. I was looking, they want to sign Mtiane, and also the other boy as well. I don't know what's happening with Orlando Pirates. It looks like they're going to be signing another 10 more players again. Last season you signed 10 players. Come on, bro. You can't be doing that. We cannot allow Orlando Pirates to sign a lot of players again. It's enough. Enough is enough. Players must come to Kaizer Chiefs. Players must come to Kaizer Chiefs now. But now i-Chiefs ayifuna ukuthenga, ayifuna ukukhupha mali. Ayifuna ukukhupha mali team yethu. I-Chiefs ayifuna ukukhupha mali. Fernando da Cruz, how is he going to rebuild this club if management yethu ayifuna ukukhupha mali? We are free agents, FC, bro. Thabo Moloisane had to be a free agent for us to sign him. And it's scary to see Chiefs ukuthi isenza lento again. Hopefully, le mali esifumane ngokudayisa Aiden McCarthy, we are going to use it in buying players. We're going to reinvest it. Emotawungi zingabi greedy apha bafake esikhwameni yonke imali. Come on, please. Buy players. Please buy good players for this coach that you have appointed. Don't be greedy. Do not be greedy, Mutawungs. Please. This is a big club. It's already embarrassing ukuthi thina every time sizosayina umdlali, it's a free agent. It's a free agent. It's a free agent. There's nothing wrong with signing off. I'm a free agent. Right. We can't be known for ukuthi thina sign a free agent when we want a good player. Mele simlinde abe free agent. For sure Thabo Moloisane naye i-relationship yakhe neStellenbosch ayikho right, because he did not want to sign another contract. Stellenbosch, for sure, they wanted to make money off of one of their good defenders. There was no way that the Stellenbosch is such a young, talented defender. Ganjalo, for sure. Your relationship between him and the Stellenbosch ruined. Umjita mangenzeka izinto zingasebenzi at Kaizer Chiefs angakakwazi ukubuyela back because umoshile ngokuthi angafuni iStellenbosch senze imali ngaye. So we cannot be expecting players to do that every time. Kaizer Chiefs have to spend as well. Spend some money to get some good players. But thina asiyenzi lonto. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think about Aiden McCarthy. I wish all the best. I wish him all the best, by the way. I forgot that. I wish him all the best. Aiden McCarthy hopefully is going to have a successful career in Europe, play in the Champions League, and do some amazing things, and come back to represent Bafana as well. That's one of the best defenders we have in South Africa. I hope everyone who supports football supports the boy.